Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE 100 opened slightly lower at 10,487.89. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 gained 0.16%, while Germany's DAX rose 0.44%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed higher at 25,870.65, while the S&P 500 finished lower at 7,482.71. In company news, energy group Centrica has agreed a 20-year contract supporting the extension of the Sizewell B nuclear power station, strengthening the UK's long-term energy security. Meanwhile, IT services specialist Computacenter expects first-half profit to more than double compared with last year, reflecting stronger trading momentum. Against sterling, the US dollar strengthened slightly, while the Swiss franc, euro, Japanese yen and Australian dollar all edged firmer. Bitcoin rose. In commodities, copper traded higher, while gold, Brent crude and natural gas all eased. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.